body time and time again. I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I get, will you take? Only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream of. You forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day you
All right, queens and kings, so I done made it home. Give you guys a haul of this. What y'all pretty much seen, I think seen everything or whatever, but this is pretty much like my monthly haul of essentials or things that I need to get if I need to get. I did forgot fruit items, so I need to go to Family Dollars to get the rest of those items, but I also picked up other stuff too. So let me show you all exactly what the stuff is. Okay, so first thing first is this Gain here laundry detergent. I don't remember how much that thing was, but I know I need to get onto the little Dollar General app to start getting some discounts. Okay, what else? I love Scott paper towels as well as toilet paper, even though they're affordable too. This was what, $5, $6 for these. I don't get no other brand but these, and when I do, I pick up like 2 because, like I said, I'm doing my little monthly essentials and stuff like that. So I try to make sure I have enough for the entire month. Also, toilet paper. I also toilet paper too, but I had 3. I gave, you know, I try to get stuff for my father because they forget to get things over there, and this jabbing is not as precise as me. When it comes down to stuff like this, that may not be the word I'm looking for, but yes, as organized, as thoughtful as I am, but yes, or responsible. Let me just say that. She haven't made it there yet. Someone told me today it take girls a little longer. I hate it because I feel like it didn't for me, but I grew up with older aunts and uncles and things like that, so that maybe why a little more. But anyway, I got the fabric softener as well as the drying sheets. Picked up some more toothpaste, which we have some in there, so that's the only reason why I picked up one. Y'all know that I got some Power Lysol bathroom panty liners, panty liners. I remember one time I was doing like essential shopping, and someone in the comment got so mad about because I showed the extra long, and I was like, wolf something, wolf pee, and baby, like, she was upset. That's not appropriate. This, that, and girl, like what? Maybe I get the same thing for myself. You gotta make sure we're safe more than sorry. But anyways, degree, got that for babe, and then I got a degree a screen blast for Andre. Really get his home, but I had picked up a pack of candy because I needed some for the living room, and I also picked up some Hershey's. I know this more like Christmas kind or whatever, but I picked it up because of the colors. I know I'm a little OCD when it comes down to certain things, so yeah. I found a rug, a mat. I don't think it's the same style of the other one that I have, but it's gonna do. So I found a black one. Bye-bye. This purple throw. I love this shade of purple. I love it so much. I love it, love it, love it so much. Honestly, I'm gonna put the purple back in the room, and I think I'm gonna do the purple for fall. So yeah, maybe fall or maybe Halloween. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Some Carmen Fabuloso and some bleach. Now I'm also going to order some stuff from Walmart because I be wanting to get this big old box of trash bags. They come at like $20, I think it is. I be wanting to get those from Walmart, and it was something else. Oh, the toilet bowl cleaners, because I need to get some more of them too for each one of the bathrooms. And what else? Oh, dish utility. I need to get it because I didn't pick none up. I totally forgot to get some from there. But I may go to Family Dollars to get the other stuff that I need to get, unless I'm gonna just order it tonight online from Amazon. But we'll see how that go. Okay. So yeah. So let's go ahead and decorate the kitchen. I gotta clean it up first. Let me tighten up and I'll be back. Alright, so I had to find a stand to put it on, and I had to put the spider upside down ordinary for it to stay over here. So I put a little ribbon on my little espresso martini candle, and then I got my little packs of Martha Stewart little ghosts, and you're gonna find out these light up. Oh, this is too cute.
on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming now. But we're missing 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh, so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen.
All right, queens and kings, so that will be it for this part of the video. And I mean this part because I'm not actually feeling what I have done in the kitchen. So if you guys want to see the part 2 and other things as well, please come back tomorrow because part 2 will definitely be up. I appreciate you queens and kings for watching, liking, subscribing, as well as commenting. With that being said, you all continue to be royal, and remember, your crown may tip, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye.